So today has been the first day in a long time that I have been able to leave the house with just a t-shirt and a jacket on. Where I live in the East Midlands in the UK, recently we've had loads of bad weather, but more importantly, loads of bad wind.
There's just no way! It's absolutely mental!
It's been a nightmare, but the weather isn't the theme of today's vlog. The theme of today's vlog is upgrading, getting better, moving forward. I've run out of words to say. Let's crack on. So, upgrading, moving forward, progressing and getting better. The theme of today's vlog. Now, the fact that I've actually even picked up a camera and turned it on and started vlogging is a miracle in itself, is probably what all of you lot are thinking, and it is. I haven't done a video like this in a while now, and it's kind of scary and crazy because it's such a different lifestyle. The last 2 years of my life with this camera on my mind 100% of the time, yeah, doing that is mad. But to be perfectly honest with you guys, I was losing a quality of life doing this thing every single day, and I've just needed sort of literally 3 months to reset my battery and find out who I am as a person again, instead of who me through this camera was. Does that make sense? Don't worry, I'm not all that different. I'm still doing the Wisp and stuff. I've actually just picked up an access point because I'm expanding my wireless internet service provision. You guys know I sell internet and all that jazz. That's what I've been doing basically, and working out while I haven't been doing this, but there's going to be more of this in the future. So upgrades to my Wisp, upgrades to the vlog, because I'll just be doing it more, and upgrades to Fanatical's setup. You guys are probably like, what? Fanatical? Yeah, so this is really, really cool, and it's happening today. Oh, and on the same sort of note, LG sent out 2 of their ultra-fine displays. These are cool, 32 inches. These are, yeah, awesome displays, by the way. One for me, and maybe one to give away for you guys. I don't know, let me know the light rating in a comment down below. Let me know what you do with the monitor. Probably put it in your gaming setup or something like that. And talking about gaming setups, that is exactly what we're doing today. We are heading down to Fanatical's headquarters. Now this is going to be super, super cool. They've got a room that is literally destroyed at the moment, and they want me to make a gaming setup in there for them. And apparently they've got all the kit, so all I need to do is turn up with Toby and just make an awesome gaming room. Like they told me they've got like Steel Series gear, Noble Chair gear, Overclockers gear there, so should be super, super fun. And then they've also thrown you guys a discount code, so if you want to use Fanatical's website, they do awesome Steam bundles and stuff, so I'll link them in the description. You can use code MarsBarFan and get like 12% off until February 25th. March 25th of March, 12% until the 25th of March, and then after then it'll be 10%. So I say we go and collect Toby and we crack on with this, because, well, I'm super buzzed. Okay then guys, so literally about an hour and 40 minutes we have arrived at what I think is the Fanatical offices. So let's park up and go in and see if we can build them a gaming setup. I think this is going to be really, really fun. Okay, so Toby and I have arrived, and we've just come straight into here to have a look at the room that we're about to redesign today. This is sick. Sick because they've got guitar hero already here, but that is not the main point of this. So they've already been shopping and bought all of the bits for this. This is going to be super interesting. If I turn the camera around, you guys can see down here, there's 3 27-inch monitors. So this looks like it's going to be some sort of triple monitor setup here. There's some light panels just under there that we can incorporate into all of this. This is sick. We've got some IKEA stuff to be building, Tobes, mate, you can do that, you can sort that. And then this is the setup that they've got at the moment, so this is what we're going to be transforming. This should be really, really fun. We've got full creative control over the entire, what is that? Wow. Whoa. That is a beast, isn't it? That looks like a beast. And this is the old setup. So if we take a quick photo of that right now, and then we can compare it at the end. So they've even got Fanatical pillows, which is kind of interesting. So we've got a plan for the room, which is really, really helpful. But to do that, we need to take this TV out, because apparently on the plan, we don't have room for this TV. Like, this TV just isn't here. And then, well, this desk, I assume that's this. So you build this, and now I'll get the TV out. Could you imagine just doing this for a living, just building setups for people every single day? Like, this would be so fun. Let's go. And there we go. As you guys can see, it's on the boom pole. So it is, guys, peripheral central on this table here. The mouse mat is there. We've got the mouse, we've got the headset, we've got now our new microphone on the boom stand. We've got our SteelSeries keyboard. We've got the webcam here. This is everything that's going to be going on the desk, bar a set of speakers, which is, well, these ones from Logitech. These look pretty cool. Quick cut montage. So guys, I want to let you know that I haven't chosen any of this equipment. All of this equipment is stuff that, well, was already here on arrival, or it's stuff that Fanatical has bought for this exact thing. So there's some speakers here, but obviously when you're streaming, you're going to be primarily using the headset, which is from SteelSeries. But if you do want to listen to some music, you've got the choice. Nice and loud. With the added bonus that these things look pretty cool too, and I want this setup to look good as well as perform well. Okay then, so that is the final shelf in our second of 2 Alex units from IKEA. So one of them is the full-on tower unit like this, and then that one there has the drawers on it. And essentially all you do with this is this piece of wood goes across there, and we're all good. We have a desk that actually has storage space, and we can move all of the peripherals onto it. Good morning's work so far. Okay, so the thing is with this lens, it makes the whole entire thing look really deceiving because we actually don't really have that much room to play with in here, but with this lens it does look huge. We've got 3 sofas that we need to place in here. We've managed to move this and put it along the back wall, so now what we need to do is take this piece of wood, essentially put it on top of these 2 units to make our desk, and then we can unbox some of the monitors and crack on with this. This is sick. Okay, so these are our 2 monitors. So as you guys can see, I'm either a really small Alex or this is a really big computer. Probably a little bit of both. This computer is huge. We were actually going to be having a custom case built for this entire rig. Move all of the internal components outside of this, like the processor, motherboard, graphics card, all the RAM, put it into a new case. But unfortunately, we can't do that today, so we're stuck with this huge tower. So we need to try and fit this under that desk somehow. But look at that. That's looking sweet so far with those monitors there. Okay, so take a look at this right now. This is where we're at. It's looking pretty decent so far. All IKEA furniture. PC is set up. We've got a few more bits on this table over here that we need to install. So let's get installing this headset and its mix amp and these speakers, and then our microphone on its boom stand, and then the webcam for streaming. Okay guys, we're going to turn the softbox in 3, 2, 1. There we go, softbox on, all installed. Toby's just installed it. This is looking good. Right, can you see everything? Because it's the moment of truth time. 3, 2, 1. Hey, it works! That looks sick. So as you can see, we tried to do the F there. I think we've done a pretty good job. That looks sick. And then guys, if you look at this stream, if I just make this a little bit bigger so you guys can actually see what's going on here. So when someone's streaming here, that F is just in the background. That looks so cool. Look at that. We've nailed that. Yeah. This is just sick. I can't believe we've done this in like a couple of hours. This is like extreme building a gaming setup. We should do more of this. Okay, so we're going to give you guys a final tour of the gaming room here that we have built. First off though, before we go in, I'm going to show you guys a before right now of what the room used to look like. And now, let's go in. As you can see, it says game on the door, which is quite cool. So this is what we've spent the day building. I'm going to put all the product links for you guys in the description. But this is super, 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 super cool. I'm so happy with it. It looks so different to how this place looked before. And it's so much more functional as well. So, the main thing really here is the desk. We've put a brand new desk in, built the IKEA furniture. We've got some awesome peripherals on here. So we've got 2 Samsung monitors. Like I told you guys, these were meant to be in a triple monitor config. There was meant to be a monitor on the top as well, but unfortunately we don't want to drill into this wall. So we're sticking here with 2. So what I think we'll do is home in on the desk. What I've actually gone ahead and done is got all of the product boxes out here so you guys can see the products that are on the desk. We'll start with the hidden product, which is back here, the headset. I actually really, really like this headset because it's Dolby 7.1 and it's wireless. As you can see, this is the Arctis Pro from SteelSeries, and it has a little base station which is just sat down there. It looks absolutely awesome. It feels really nice on. It has a detachable mic. This is sick. Not detachable, retractable mic. We've also, guys, got this awesome glass little stand back here. When we're not using the headset, it can stay on there. SteelSeries Apex M750 keyboard. I like this keyboard, it does the job, it's absolutely fine, it's wired, it's RGB, it's absolutely awesome, it's got Cherry MX switches on it. Now this is one that might get you guys talking a little bit because wireless mice, well, the word wireless and mice don't really go together very well in the gaming industry, but here, SteelSeries are trying to pull through. So this is actually a really cool mouse while I've been using it. It actually comes with weights in the box, so you can choose how heavy this mouse is by taking out weights and adding more weight to it, which is really, really cool. It has a decent battery life, and whilst I've been using it, yeah, I've been quite enjoying it. You be squeezing it.
Lumbar support.
Lumbar support. So I hope all of the guys here at the Fanatical offices are super happy with their new setup. That's it. It's time for us to pack up and ship out. Good day. This has been building a setup in half a day. And there we go. I think 3.5 hours later, 4 hours later, we've gone ahead and built Fanatical an entire gaming / streaming setup. I'd say it's more of a streaming setup than a gaming setup. I'm really, really happy with that. Let us know what you think down in the comments. Would you have used any other hardware? Have you guys seen any good hardware recently that's any good that we should check out? Maybe for a review or something, or maybe we should just get it and have a little look. Anyway, I'm happy with that. We're off. So there we are, guys. We're all home. Okay, Google, turn on the lights. So, funnily enough, just as I arrived back, and I'm literally saying just as I arrived back, the TNT man pulled up, rang the doorbell, and, well, handed me an enormous parcel. Well, he didn't hand it to me, the parcel was that big, I actually had to help him bring it in the house. That parcel is sat right behind me. Wow. So, more on that in just a second, but first off I want to go ahead and give a massive shout out to Fanatical. Guys, thanks for inviting me down to your offices today. I've really enjoyed every second of it. Building that setup was absolutely awesome, but because of my knowledge, also at the same time, really, really easy. Fanatical, you need to make more gaming rooms and keep inviting me back to make more setups. So, yeah. And as far as you guys are concerned, let us know down in the comments what we could have done better, what we could have done worse, or what I probably messed up on, because there'll definitely be a few things. I'm only human and I'm not perfect. But again, Fanatical, thanks for the invite down. I'll drop guys all Fanatical's links down in the description as well as the discount code if you guys are interested. Right, this thing, yeah, it's mental. It's big, it's huge, it's unlike anything I've ever seen before. This is a 15-inch subwoofer for the cinema room. But as you guys can see, or maybe even not see, because the whole thing is black as well as the walls, but the blinds are now installed, so we now have complete blackout blinds in here. So if you do turn the lights off and close the door, yeah, it's pitch black in here. Like, you can't even... And I absolutely have zero idea where this big subwoofer is going to sit in this room because, well, when I was ordering all of this stuff for the room, I just got a little bit trigger happy, and yeah, I didn't do the measurements, and that thing's absolutely like, I reckon I could fit inside this box. So all of this, guys, soon to come on the main channel. I'm pretty sure you guys get the gist. This video is getting long enough. I need to head to the gym, so does Toby, and we will see you guys in the next one. I hope you've enjoyed. Adios.